If you want to scale the image, then what you can do is you can go around onto the image menu right here and then go to scale image. So once you go around and do that, you see the scale image option as you can see right here. You can go around and resize out the image according to how you want. Let's say, for example, I want to go around and make this, let's say, for example, 3000 pixels in width. Since this is linked, you can see that the scale changes out. So over here in the quality, interpolation can be chosen as you can see. So this can be linear, cubic, or no halo or low halo as you can see. So cubic is the default one and you can stick to it right here. But you can choose the other interpolation methods if you want to as well. So now as I do this, and if I were to go around and scale this out right here, then you can see that the image is scaled out. So that is, it is scaled out. It does seem a bit blurry, but what happens is that it fills out the pixels according to the interpolation right here. So if I were to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, onto the image right here and go for scale image, if I were to unlink this, I can go around and scale it out like this as well. Like, let's say, for example, this can be 3000 pixels by 1000 pixel right here. And if I were to go around and scale it now, then what you can see is it squeezes it out right here. If I were to go around onto, let's say, for example, scale image, the X resolution and Y resolution is 300 pixels right here. So I can go around and say, let's say I want to make it 150 right here, just like this, then I can go around and scale it out right there as well and change the DPI as I like. And that is how you can scale image inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.